I really enjoy watching unboxing videos. I think it's because it gives me the chance to see a product that I'm searching for and really see the product. And it helps me to decide if it's something that I really want to buy. But even more than watching unboxing videos, I like sharing them too. And that is what today's video is all about. The Cavali Club Summer Box Unboxing. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And like I said in the beginning, we have an unboxing video. I really enjoy subscription boxes. It is so much fun to get a surprise in the mail. You don't know what it is, and the anticipation of getting it is super exciting. And I think I've tried pretty much, well, not all of them, but I have tried a lot of different equestrian subscription boxes. I really haven't found a box that has excited me enough to continue my subscription long term. But there has been one that I've really wanted to try, and that's the Cavali Club. I hope I'm saying that right, Cavali Club. I can't think of any other way to say it. So if I'm not saying it right, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how to say it. The people over at Cavali Club, they have a goal, and their goal is to introduce equestrians to new products while supporting equestrian entrepreneurs in the process. And they have a quarterly subscription service, so you can just get one box if you want, or if you decided, hey, this is something I want to continue, they do offer a quarterly subscription, and then they just bill you once a quarter for your new subscription. And if you do opt for that, then you actually get free shipping on the box. But regardless if you sign up for the quarterly program or you just want to try one box, the Cavali Club box cost $59. And I know $59 sounds like a lot of money, especially if you're not sure if the surprise is really going to deliver, right? Okay, I am so excited to open this. I have been waiting to open this to when I would be filming it so you can see it at the same time I'm seeing it for the first time.
Horse picks make great package openers. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for you.
Ooh! Look at what is inside. Oh, and they even have a card, and it tells you what's inside the box. Actually, it's not a card, it's like a pamphlet. This is awesome. It just tells you everything that's inside the box, and then it also has the retail price for everything as well. So that was just really nice, very beneficial, and very helpful to not only know what's coming in the box, but also to be able to see the product, learn about the product. Confident that your visor is going to stay secure while you're cantering around. Now, the bill of the visor is large enough to offer plenty of protection for your face, your neck, and it doesn't obstruct your peripheral vision, which is pretty important. So the helmet visor is made by CC Essentials, and it has a retail price of $39. Okay, these are adorable. So these are called horseplay cocktail napkins. And these napkins are here to add a touch of equestrian elegance to any outdoor gathering. It's a refined hem-stitched linen that's embellished with a cheerful yet refined embroidery in the color navy of a very pretty horse. And each set includes 4 of these horseplay cocktail napkins. They are so cute. They're just so cute. I love them. Those are very fancy. Look at me getting fancy with my equestrian cocktail napkins. And the set of 4 cocktail napkins has a retail price of $39. And going back to the handy little pamphlet that talks about the different products, it even tells you how to care for your cocktail napkins. Very nice. All right, let's see what's next. Well, that's really nice. This is Superfood Horse Treats by 24 Carats. And I like on the top of the package, it says the diamond standard of horse nutrition. And then on the back of the package, which is really important for my horses, it's low glycemic superfood horse treats. So I'm thinking that Frisbee can even have some of these treats. Now, the Superfood Horse Treats by 24 Carats, the products are exactly as nature intended. They're raw, nutrient-dense, complete, and contain absolutely no GMOs, byproducts, fillers, soy, corn, molasses, or grains. The main ingredient, chia, was chosen for its positive effects in supporting a healthy immune system, skin, coat, joints, muscles, and even fertility. It's also a natural calming agent. And additional superfood ingredients include hemp seeds, dandelion, rose hips, carrot, coconut oil, boiled apple cider, and these horse treats are safe for all horses, including those who suffer from metabolic disorders because they have a low glycemic index. And 24 karat horse treats are even recommended by veterinarians. So if a veterinarian can stand behind a horse treat, it makes me feel better about feeding it to my horses. And the retail price of the horse treats is $11.99. And next we have a bottle of Medica treatment wash. And this is a shampoo that is gentle and effective to aid in the treatment of rain rot, ringworm, leg scuff, and other diseases. It has gentle, natural cleansers to exfoliate dead skin, remove debris, and a blend of sulfur and essential oils helps to kill bacteria and fungus. Now, most antifungal shampoos are harsh and can even dry out or burn the skin, but the Medica treatment wash says that it will deliver an effective treatment in a gentle, pleasant cleansing formula. But I was really excited to get this because Pleasant has some, like, I guess scurf, I don't know what you'd call it, built up on the back of his legs. And I'm really excited to see how this product works. But first, if I can get the tape off, we have to do a smell test, right? Got to check this stuff out. It actually smells really good. So I'm going to try that out on Pleasant and see how it works. And the Medica treatment wash, I guess kind of a shampoo, but I don't know, but it's a treatment wash. This has a retail price of $36. What is next? Just keeps giving and giving. And next we have a container of Peckered EQUICARE leather dressing. I gotta open it. I gotta smell it. I love how things smell. It doesn't really have a smell that I can tell. I made a rhyme. So this leather dressing from Picard is a neutral colored blended paste that cleans, conditions, preserves, and weatherproofs all smooth oil tan leather to help keep it supple, strong, and beautiful. It has a specifically formulated blend of waxes and petroleum products that helps to repel dirt and water from entering the leather where they can cause the greatest damage. Oils in the dressing lubricate and plump up the fibers so they move smoothly against each other without binding and abrading. So that is really nice. That's a 4-ounce container of the leather dressing. And honestly, I don't think you can ever have too much leather dressing. I have lots of different ones, and I'm super happy to have this. That's a nice big tub of the dressing. The retail price of this is $8, so this might be something that I would continue to use in the future. Ooh, that's so tiny. Very pretty jewelry. It's so pretty. I don't think you can see it. It's so tiny. So this is a lucky horseshoe charm necklace. It's from Jennifer Cervelli Jewelry. And Jennifer Cervelli Jewelry is passionate about cultivating a more ethical, transparent, and sustainable jewelry industry. And this is a handmade lucky horseshoe charm necklace. It comes both in sterling silver and yellow gold. The necklace chain measures 18 inches long, and it has a 1/2 inch wide horseshoe charm. And did you know that when kept as a talisman, a horseshoe is supposed to bring good luck? And the lucky horseshoe charm necklace has a retail price of $48. All right, so far we are doing pretty darn good on a $59 investment, right? I think so. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is an equestrian journal. Now, the equestrian journal is everything that you need to organize your equestrian life in and out of the saddle. This journal was created for Cavali Club exclusively by Jennifer Rakeman. And inside, you'll find all kinds of different tabs for horse care, goal setting, and daily organization for every type of equestrian. It has tabs dedicated to horse information and care, lessons records, annual goals, monthly goals, and more. It has everything that you need to remain organized and productive at work, school, life, and the barn. And as a bonus, it even has an assortment of sticker sheets and custom horse paper clips that will help to make organization fun. And really, horse paper clips, these are awesome. I love them. And making organization fun will hopefully mean that I'm going to really do it. You know what I mean? And the Equestrian Journal retails for $45. So with everything that came in the box, there were 7 different items, but with everything that came, this has roughly a retail value of around $220, $225. I didn't sit down and figure out everything to the penny, but for $59, I got $220 worth of equestrian products that I'm actually going to use. Oh my goodness, the Cavali Club box is seriously a really good deal. You get a lot of bang for your buck with the Cavali Club. I mean, these products are really nice. The journal I can start journaling in. The horse treats I can actually feed to my horses, both of them. The necklace, the sun visor, the wash. I mean, this thing really delivered. Are you ready to sign up for the fall Cavali Club box? I know I am. And just to entice you a tiny bit more, Cavali Club has given me a promo code to share with you so that you can save money while you're getting your very own subscription box. When you sign up to get your first box, use the code BUDGET10 to save $10 off your first box. And I've left a link in the description box below so you can grab your code and get your very own Cavali Club subscription. And when you're at Cavali Club, you can see the past boxes that they've had, and so you can see really the value that you're getting in the subscription box. And if you're still kind of on the fence, I would highly encourage you to follow them on Instagram because they give spoilers away before the boxes come out. So if you want to find out what's going to be in the upcoming season box, you can check it out and see if it's worth it to you. All right, so I think I am going to get out of here and I am going to go play with some of these products that I got. Super excited for all of them. This stuff is just so awesome and I am so excited about Cavali Club. So excited, really, I am. Can you tell? Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other product reviews, DIY projects, and horse-related videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.